Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Every time I decorate a Christmas tree, I always wonder, how can I make my ornaments stand out and look more creative? Well, today we've got a great answer. We're going to use our AXI laser engraver to add unique, custom designs to Christmas baubles. This machine features 3-axis dynamic focusing, which allows it to engrave seamlessly on curved surfaces. Today, we have a metal Christmas ball ready. It's a sphere with a diameter of 63 millimeters. Now let's secure it on the fixture and get started on our project. First, open the EM-Smart AXI software and create a new file. Click File, then Import. Load the SVG design you want to engrave onto the Christmas ball. Scale the pattern to a diameter of 35 millimeters. Second, open 3D Param in the Property panel. In the Model library, find the model that matches the shape of the Christmas ball. Third, adjust Calculate Curve Radius to match the size of the Christmas ball, setting the surface width to 63 millimeters and the height to 31.5 millimeters. Fourth, go to Mark Parameter and select Fill. This makes the laser engrave the entire closed area, rather than just outlining it. Then set the engraving parameters, power at 100% and speed at 500 millimeters per second. Fifth, in Frame, Fill, select Average Distribution, set Angle Start to 45 degrees, Angle Step to 90 degrees, and times to 10 using varied angles to increase depth and uniformity. Sixth, click Show 3D to view the engraving position and effect from multiple angles, then switch to the planar view. Click Preview to check the positioning on the physical object. Turn off auto marking and click Start Engraving. We can see the engraving process clearly. The whole process is quick with amazing detail. The marking speed is about 15,000 millimeters per second, so the engraving finishes in just a few minutes. Here is our final result. AXI gives you roughly 10 times the dual focus precision, making curved engraving super clean and crisp. The entire design is perfectly engraved onto the Christmas bauble. Let's recap today's tutorial. First, we learned how to use the flexible fixture to secure curved objects. Second, we learned how to operate the AXI software. Third, we went through the full workflow of 3D curved surface laser engraving. If you'd like to try the same project, simply leave a comment and we'll provide all preset parameters and design files. Whether you want to create branded customization or personal creative projects, AXI can help you. If you have any questions, want to see tutorials on other topics, or simply want to share your creations, leave a comment below. And if you'd like to see more tutorials like this, don't forget to follow our channel.